Come test drive this 2012 Kia Soul. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Kia prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a rear window wiper, a tachometer, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.